Hello, today we are talking about how to do an effective week plan. Also, in the end, I will give you my secrets on how to set your goals. So stay with me. Hello friends around the world and welcome to my channel. If you are watching me for the first time, I'm Assia West, and in my channel I talk about languages, mindset, productivity, and I post vlogs. Today friends, as I told you, we will talk about how to plan your week effectively. And I will show you how I do this. We all watch a Limitless movie and we see in the first scenes that he wasn't productive, he wasn't organized, he doesn't have any goals. And after when he take the pill, as we know, like he took the pill, so his life changed and he become more productive, more genius, if we want to say. So this step from moving to unorganized person to organized person and to set your goals let you become more successful and more productive. So without planning your week, you'll become frustrated, depressed, and you don't want to do anything because you have a lot to do but you can accomplish nothing. You're running, and you don't arrive to nothing. And in the end of the day, you feel so tired. But if you write down what you have to do, you plan your week, you stay more focused, you don't forget nothing, and you accomplish all what you have to do in your day and in your week too, and you accomplish your goals, your monthly goals, and your year goals in the end of the year. And this was planning to turn you to. It turned you to a successful person. It's not easy and it's not hard at the same time. It's only a small steps to take you to a bigger stage. What I mean by that? I mean if you set 3 goals per week and this is the maximum, you will accomplish all these goals. Instead of over planning, it's gonna create and organize things because we aren't a robot, so we are humans, we need breaks, so this, it must be in your schedule. Don't forget these things. Don't forget to take a break, don't forget to answer a call, don't forget to talk to your family. So it's a part of your day. Planning is not only specific for works or specific for studies. It's about all your life in general, and you must put all the small details on it. So as I told you, in the end I will give you my secrets on how I set my goals, on how I do all this, and how I plan my days. So for me, I plan my week using Google Calendar that I put over there to do interview, classes, calls, check like emails. So I write in my journal first and I will show you how after I move it to Google Calendar, and I prefer to plan weekly. If you prefer to plan monthly, you can do it. I prefer to plan weekly and I print it. You only complete 1%. Today is 100 tomorrow. So what I mean by that is if you complete only 1% a day, you will complete, for example, 7% a week and more than 30% a month. If we calculate it like that, that's me. Like when I talk about 100%, you will accomplish 100%. Yes, in the end, you will arrive to your goal that is 100% of success in, for example, in a language. Okay, you want to learn a language, so do 1% today, and of course tomorrow, I mean in the future, you will have 100. So here my secret, and I will show you how I do before I plan my week. Okay, so I do kind of brainstorming, but it's not, I call it idea tree. Okay, so what I do, I take what I want to do, for example learn a language, okay, for example Turkish, Italian, or any language. So I will learn a language, I put what I want to learn in this week, for example grammar, writing. I put over here, I will watch a movie, any action that I want to do and specific with this thing. So example, as I put here, language. So I take every idea from this idea and I put this idea, this tree idea. Okay, so that's how I do before I plan anything. So this lets me know what I want to specifically in details from this action, okay, from these things, from my goal. So my goal is to learn a language, but to get to this goal, I must do a small steps, a small actions to arrive to this thing. So this what I write over here. For example, I put here 3 books a week. So it's not 3 books a week. So 3 books, for example, a month. Okay, it's depend on how fast you read. So I can put here 1 book a week, and I choose the book in this language that I want to learn. Okay, so here in the end I get all these details. So for example 1 a 7, so it's 1 a week. Okay, 1 time a week. For example, I choose here Monday at 10. Okay, here 2 a 7, so it's 2 times a week, for example, to read a book. Okay, so I choose, for example, Monday and Tuesday, for example, at 11 to 12. Okay, so this is how I get my to do, I get my plan. Okay, so this is what I do every beginning of a week. So before the week start, here the week start like in Sunday. Okay, the week start from Sunday. So I plan before what I'm gonna do in my week and how my week start. So you do every goal, you put from every goal an idea tree, and you take all the things that you want to do, and you know, so in this way you know which things you will do in this week, which things you move it to next week, or you can take stuff, you add stuff, you know, from planning every week. This gonna let you understand your month and understand your year. For example, if this week this things doesn't work, you take it off and you let only things that it work, but important things like appointment, interview, and stuff like that, it must be. And you feel happy because you do what you must do, and you have now a free time to enjoy with your family, to enjoy with your friends. So 100% of this accomplished could be 6 months to accomplish the language and being fluent at it, or could be 3 months, could be 1 month. It's depend on how you do things, on how you catch things. It's different from one person to other person. It's different from needs of this person to need to other person. So yes, the 1% today is gonna take you to 100 tomorrow.